Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Forex Week in Review with the 28 Forex majors and minors for the 2nd of September. And I'm starting off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. And what I've got here on the strategic picture is a target of 0.53284 to the downside. Operational picture was choppy all throughout, below the dragon, in the dragon, and below. However, that translated to the tactical picture for more chop, and we had a loss overall of $933.56. That is depicted here in this overall spreadsheet. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, we have no calculated target on the strategic picture. Again, a lot of chop within the dragon and under the dragon, translated to a tactical loss of $1,670.89. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, on the strategic picture, we actually have a target of 13.086 on the strategic picture to the downside. That is a significant drop to where it's at currently at 95,400. Just when you get targets like that, there's some extreme moves that are happening with price action both on the horizontal and vertical counts. We have price action on the operational picture in the dragon, above, below, and in the dragon, a lot of wicks, very choppy. However, that did translate on the tactical picture. We got a profit of $596 for Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we had a price target to the downside at 65846. Again, that's over half there of the actual price target, so a significant price target to the downside. A lot of chop happening within the dragon, below it, a lot of wicks. It did translate on the tactical picture with an overall profit of $497. Aussie dollar, US dollar, we got a price target to the downside at 0.53777. Operational picture all below the dragon, translated with some nice flows to the downside with a profit of $1,505 for Aussie dollar, US dollar. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, we have price target to the downside all the way down to 0.44107. Incredible price action to the downside on that count. We have price below the dragon, in the dragon, a lot of chop, translated to an overall loss on the tactical picture of $1,168.30. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we have a price target of 187.004 to the upside on the strategic picture. Price action on the operational picture above the dragon, went a little below and then shot back above the dragon. Some nice overall flows on the tactical picture 1 hour chart with $1,452 profit for Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we have no price target on the strategic picture. Price action on the operational picture above, below, and back above the dragon. Nice overall flows from the start to finish with a profit of $2,403 for Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Euro, Aussie dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, which translated some nice flows to the upside overall with a little bit of chop towards the end of the week. Overall profit $2,790 for Euro, Aussie dollar. Euro, Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 691.02 to the downside. Price action on the operational picture above the dragon, then just went below on the last day. Overall flows very nicely to the upside and then went to the downside to close out the week with a profit of $2,798.13 for Euro, Canadian dollar. Euro, Swiss franc, we have price target to the downside at 0.52368. Price action pretty much above the dragon on the annual picture. Translated some nice overall flows to the upside with a profit of $4,015.70 for Euro, Swiss franc. Euro, British pound, we have price target to the upside of 1.51603. Operation picture shows price action in line with the strategic picture all above the dragon. Nice overall flows to the upside with a profit of $3,444 for Euro, British pound. Euro, Japanese yen, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon throughout the rest of the week. Translated some nice overall flows to the upside with an overall profit of $3,337 For euro, Japanese yen. Euro New Zealand dollar, we have a price target of 3.56629 to the upside, nearly double and a half. Price action pretty much above the dragon, but closed below the dragon on the operational picture. Overall flows pretty much to the upside. We're pretty with a nice overall flow to the downside to close out the week with $1,207. Profit. Euro New Zealand dollar. Euro US dollar, we have a price target of 0.0729 to the downside. Price action all over the dragon, pretty much in the dragon, below and above and below, pretty choppy throughout. However, translated to the tactical picture with some nice steady flows, those nice long candles. The longer the candles on the operational picture, the better the flows on the tactical picture. Profit of $1,492 for euro US dollar. British pound, Aussie dollar, this was just a mess. Strategic picture, no price target. Look, all chopped within the dragon. This dragon looks all chopped up on the higher time frame on the 8-hour. Did not translate it over that consolidation to the tactical side with a lot of chop going back and forth. Overall loss of $976 in the red for British pound, Aussie dollar. British pound, Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 1.08205 to the downside. Price action pretty much stayed below the dragon, went up and a little bit in the dragon, then ended the week below the dragon. Overall chop at the beginning of the week and then some nice flows to the downside to close out the week at profit of $779 for British pound, Canadian dollar. British pound, Swiss franc, we got a price target on the strategic picture of 0.4869 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, in the dragon, below the dragon. Pretty wicky here. Some nice long candles here should translated. However, on the tactical picture, did not. Still had that overall chop. The overall loss of $1,673 for British pound, Swiss franc. We're in the red. British pound, Japanese yen, we have a price target to the downside of 104.583 to the downside. Operational picture above the dragon, below the dragon, back above, and then back below. The tactical picture translated some nice overall flows to the upside and downside to close out the rest of the week with a profit of $1,169.48. British pound, Japanese yen. British pound, New Zealand dollar, we had no price target on the strategic picture. Price action on the operational picture was above the dragon, in the dragon, then shot below the dragon. Overall, price action on the tactical picture showed about a scratch with a $15 profit. British pound, New Zealand dollar. British pound, US dollar, we have a price target of 48304 to the downside. Price action in alignment on the operational picture, all below the dragon. Nice overall flows to the downside with a profit of $3,208 for British pound, US dollar. Zealand Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 46581 to the downside. Price action was below the dragon, shot above, in the dragon, below the dragon, in the dragon. Very choppy. Overall chop translated to the tactical picture with a loss of $1,653 for New Zealand Canadian dollar. Zealand Swiss franc, we have a price target to the downside at 0.23113 on the strategic picture. Price action on the operational picture, 8-hour was below the dragon, above the dragon, below, and then back above. That translated to the tactical picture with a lot of chop, both to the upside and the downside, with a loss of $1,369 for New Zealand Swiss franc. New Zealand Japanese yen, we have a price target to the downside at 20.541 to the downside. On the strategic picture, price action below the dragon, in the dragon, and then shot way above the dragon. Did not translate to the tactical picture with overall consolidation going back and above the dragon. The loss of $686.49 for New Zealand Japanese yen. New Zealand US dollar, we have price target to the downside at 0.10366 on the strategic picture. Operational picture in alignment with price action below the dragon and in the dragon. Still, overall translation to consolidation on the tactical picture was a loss of $355 for New Zealand US dollar. US dollar Canadian dollar, we had no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon and then ended up in the dragon. Overall tactical flows were pretty nice to the upside with an overall profit of $885 for US dollar Canadian dollar. US dollar Swiss franc, we had no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon throughout. However, on the tactical picture, translated to a lot of consolidation back above and below the dragon with a loss of $1,294 for US dollar Swiss franc. For US dollar Japanese yen on the strategic picture, we have a price target of 261.893 to the upside, which is almost double for that valuation. Incredible horizontal vertical counts going forward. Operational picture in alignment with price action above the dragon on the 8 hour, which translated to the tactical picture 1 hour with overall profit of $3,422.86. Nice flows for US dollar Japanese yen. Consolidated overall profit for all 28 pairs was $23,539. And I'd like to cover some of the aspects of the trades that we do have with respect to each of the currency pairs. I have here the currency pair. If it's in red, it's a loss. If it's green, it's a gain. I have the net profit percentage, total closed trades, percent profitable, profit factor, Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, ratio of average win to average loss, max drawdown percentage, average trade, and average bars in the trades. Well, that's all I have, folks, for this week. We are currently conducting a FOREX Bootcamp and a FOREX Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. It will cover all of these trade actions that we do. We also have an operations course where we do auto scripting and programming. If you're interested, click on those links below. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.